Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the Modicon EdgeIO training. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can download the configuration to the Iceland. So let's go to the presentation. So basically the download is very simple once you already have done your project. Okay, so what we need to do basically is to click on the top side, okay, first to validate the configuration. This will give us some warnings in case there is something that we haven't done. Then the last thing that we need to do is to select download. This will download your actual configuration to the island and make the modification that you are expecting to. Okay, this is one way to do it. Okay, there is another way. If you select the offline and then select online, they will allow you to log in, and then you have the possibility to open the configuration that you have actually on the target or download a new one. Okay, so let's try to make a download to the device. Okay, so I'm going to create a new application, create new project. I have this one with me. I'm going to set new testing, create configuration. Automatically it adds only this power supply, okay, because it's the only available at the moment in this first wave. Now we're going to add just a simple model, the discrete input, this one, which is the one that is connected right now next to it. Okay, this is the NIM, this is the power supply, and this is the extended version of the digital I/O. Okay, so I'm going to add this one. Now, what I'm going to do is to change the IP address 192.168.1.12, which is the IP address that I want for this device, 255.255.255.0. Then I'm going to use 192.168.1.1, which is the gateway. The rest are going to leave it like that. Okay. You can see the memory mapping in case you want to access to Modbus. Those registers over there. Okay, now that I have this, I'm going to build the configuration successfully. Now I'm going to save it. I'm going to find the folder first. So I have this folder, new testing. Okay, now what I need to do is to connect to it. So I'm going to log in to put the IP address that I have already got. If you don't know which one is your IP address, which is the default, there is another video explaining which is the default address and how to connect to over Ethernet. 12 administrator 1 administrator 1. Here, security admin. Security admin is the user, and administrator 1 is my password. I also explained in the other videos, which is the default password is 8 A's, okay, 8, everything in capital. Log in, and then I should be able to log in. There we go. So we have different ways to connect. By default, when you connect to the island, it will bring their actual configuration, okay. So what I need to do is to open open existing configuration from my disk. So I'm going to find that file first. Okay, it's this new testing I/O. You can see I found it. It's here. So I can go online, and it will ask me to download, to make the download, or make an upload for the software. In my case, I'm going to make a download. Okay, this one is not configured, it doesn't matter. Okay, download the progress, successfully in. And here you can see that I have the connection to the device. And then I can be online and see what's really happening. So I have the diagnostics. This is the things that I'm missing, which is fine because I haven't configured that part. I can go for other things, we're going to explain that later, and here you can see that I can see the information that is going through. Okay, even if I haven't configured the rest of things. So if I press this, you see that it changed. You can see the LEDs over here, it changed. That's how it works. Okay, so this is how you can make the download of your configuration through the software or with the web interface. It's very straightforward. Just need to remember that you need to know where you have located your configuration, not override with the configuration that that the EdgeIO has already. So you need to open it and then just download the new one. Okay, so it's very simple, very straightforward. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.